Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you one of my client's requirement. Please watch till end. The plot size is 30 feet by 50 feet or 9.17 by 15.29 meter with road on east side. That is 40 wide feet road. In ground floor, they needed watchman room with small kitchen counter inside and a washroom attached to it, and remaining area as to left open for car parking purpose. They also needed a small lift. In first floor, they needed the plan to be fully commercial with 2 single bedrooms portions in first floor, small kitchen along with small utility space beside the kitchen. Note that the plan is fully commercial based on client's requirement. For any queries, feel free to contact me. Thank you for watching my video. For more interesting videos, please like, share, subscribe and comment below. And follow Instagram page.